How to search effects on Instagram. If you want to add effects to your Instagram stories, there are different ways to find and use them. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap on Your Story at the top left to start a new story. You can either take a new photo or video or select an existing one from your gallery. After selecting your photo or video, tap on the 3 stars in the top right corner. In the menu that appears, you will see an option called Effects. Tap on it to see some available effects. You can scroll through them and try different ones. Another way to add effects is by using Instagram's post editor. To do this, tap on the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen and choose a photo. Tap Next, and then you will have the option to apply filters and effects before saving the image. After saving it to your device, you can upload it as a story later and still keep the effect. That's how to search effects on Instagram.